Sweetie, I need to tell you something. I know that over the years I haven't been the most perfect boyfriend. Um, like, I've been toxic, and if I had to be quite honest, I've been a very toxic boyfriend, and I know you've been dealing with me and putting up with me throughout the years, and I really appreciate it. And after self-reflecting for a bit, I realized how wrong I was, and I wanted to apologize for it. So, you know, I guess one of the most toxic things I've done in this relationship that I'm not so proud of is that I separated you from your family, you know. And I'm not proud of it. But, you know, I think I had good reason to do what I did. And I guess I was afraid of losing you, and I didn't think your parents would fully accept me, and I wasn't sure that your family would fully accept me, so I did what I did because I wasn't sure if your family would really approve of me or approve our relationship, so I did what I did because I love you, and I wanted us to have a winning chance. And I wanted to stay with you, and I didn't want anyone to influence our relationship. So I know it's not the right thing, but at the moment I just had no choice. And I'm sorry for isolating you from your friends. You know, I did it for a reason because I knew what your friends were gonna say about me, you know. I knew that they were gonna tell you that you can do better. That I'm not treating you right. That you can find someone more handsome, you know. Just stuff like that, and I didn't want you to go out and find someone new. I didn't want you to go out and find someone better. So I isolated you from your friends and everyone. I mean, I thought that if I was the only one, I would be the only option. And that you would never leave because I would be your only option, and I didn't want to lose you to anyone. I know I'm toxic. I know I'm not the best man, but I'm trying and I'm changing. You know, I love you so much, and I guess I was just afraid of losing you. That's why I did what I did. You know, I know it's not right. It's not, but I'm sorry, and I did what I did for us. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna do better. Things are gonna be different now. Okay. I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. I'm not gonna be toxic. I know it's hard to believe. It is. believe me, I'm gonna be a changed man. I am. And I love you so much. And sometimes I feel like you don't understand how much I love you. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything. Oh, sweetie. You can't leave, okay? I don't think you understand what I did for you. I built this cage, caught everything in this room, and it was so hard to kidnap you. Took a lot of time and took a lot of planning. Sweetie, you know I love you. I love you so much. You're my everything. You know that, right? I hope you understand that. You're my everything. And you'll learn to love me too. You will. You will learn that just a little bit more time, that you'll learn that we're meant to be. You've only been here for 15 years. I'm gonna give us another 15 years and you'll understand. We are meant to be together. Oh, sweetie, you're never gonna leave. You love me, trust me, you don't want to leave. You do. And I love you. I love you so much, sweetie. Hey, don't call me crazy. You know how much I hate it when you call me crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm just crazy in love with you, that's all. No, sweetie, I'm just so madly in love with you. I'm not crazy at all, I can be a little bit much because I just love you too much. No, sweetie. If anything, you should be crazy in love with me. We should be madly crazy in love together. Imagine how fun that would be, wouldn't it? Me and you just madly in love. It's all in the matter of time. It's all in the matter of time that you'll love me. You will. You will love me so much. And I just want to let you know that you're never gonna leave here, okay? This basement and this cage that you're in, you're never gonna leave. Because I love you. And you're gonna stay with me forever. I love you so much. We're gonna be together forever. You love me too. It's just that you don't realize it yet. Once you realize that you love me, you'll be so happy. No, don't be sad, sweetie. Don't be sad. Everything's gonna be okay. You love me, and I love you, and everything's gonna be okay. You love me, and I love you, okay? You just don't know how much you love me yet. Once you realize how perfect, how much I do for you, how much I'm willing to be your perfect man, I'll change, I'll do anything to make you happy. And once you realize that, you'll be happy too. And we'll be happy together. So don't be sad, sweetheart. Don't be sad. There's so many things that we can do here in this basement, in your cage. I'll cook for you. I'll take care of you. I'll cuddle with you. I'll keep you warm. make you happy. We can watch movies, play games. There's so many things that we can do together. You'll realize how much I love you. You'll enjoy the activities with me. Trust me. You're my everything. I'll buy you anything you want. Anything you want, I'll buy it and I'll bring it back. You'll be happy here. There's gonna be so many things to do here. There is. I love you so much. You're my everything. No, sweetie. You know I can't let you see your family. I just can't. No, I mean you're gonna stay here forever. This is where you belong now. You belong here with me. Oh, I know you want to see your family, but I can never let that happen. I'm your family now. This is where you belong. And you are going to stay here for the rest of your life. Do you understand, sweetie? Good. You want to get out the cage? No, sweetie, you can't get out of the cage. I just gotta trust you first, you know? Right now, I can't trust you. Okay? I just need to know that you love me. And I love you. Once I know that you love me, then maybe I can let you out of the cage. Just maybe. Okay? But you really need to love me like I love you. And then once I know that, then maybe I'll let you walk around in this basement. Yeah? We can dance and we can play. No, don't be sad, baby. You'll love me, okay? Just like how much I love you. You'll love me. I promise. Oh, don't be sad, sweetie. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come on. Come cuddle with me right now. I'm not gonna ask again. Come cuddle with me right now. Good. Isn't that nice? Yeah. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in the world. Your eyes are really something special. It's, it's the way that they spark when you talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? Those beautiful eyes that you have. I'm serious. Like, when the light just hits your eyes just right, you know, they glow. You have like a unique beauty. And I can't help but notice. I know, they look lovely. But honestly, sweetheart, you gotta be very careful, okay? Because with eyes like those, right,